Hello, today we will guide you through how to invest on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along confidently from start to finish. Remember, this is an educational guide, not financial advice, and investing involves risk. So take your time with each step. Begin by opening Trading 212 in your browser or the mobile app and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account type for investing and that you can see your available funds. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access the search bar. Use the search bar to look up the asset you want to invest in. Type the name or ticker symbol and review the results that appear. When you see the instrument you're interested in, select it to open its detail page. Here, you'll usually find a live chart, price information, performance data, and a summary of key stats. Take a moment to scan this screen so you understand what you're looking at before proceeding. When you're ready, choose whether you want to buy or sell. Buying opens a position expecting the price to rise. Selling is used if you already hold the asset and want to close some or all of it, or if you're using an account type that supports short selling. Pick the option that matches your intention. Next, set a limit if you prefer not to place a market order. A limit order lets you control the maximum price you're willing to pay when buying, or the minimum price you're willing to accept when selling. This can help you avoid unexpected fills if prices move quickly. Enter the limit price and the quantity or amount you want to trade. Then set a stop level if you want protection against larger than expected losses. A stop helps you predefine the price at which your position will be closed automatically if the market moves against you. Place it at a level that aligns with your risk tolerance and your plan, not just a random distance from the current price. Before submitting, tap Review Order. Carefully confirm the order type, quantity, or cash amount, limit and stop levels, and the estimated cost or proceeds. If anything looks off, adjust it now. Finally, select Send by Order to place the trade. You'll see a confirmation, and the order will show as filled or pending depending on current market conditions. After it's placed, you can monitor it from your portfolio and update your stop or take profit levels as your plan evolves. Take it slow, review each choice, and build confidence one trade at a time.